graphics, designs.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to design a YouTube thumbnail. Kindly watch to the end. So, click the white background, then change the image size or aspect ratio, YouTube thumbnail, then click OK. Then click the plus sign and click from gallery. Select the image you want to use as your background. So this is the image I'm working with, and I'm working with this aspect ratio 16:9. You just invert it to the side you want to appear. So you put on your grid, adjust it so those two red lines as a cross will appear. Then you lock it. So now I'm just adjusting the color. That's the color filter. I'm just adjusting it to be a bit darker. Kindly follow me. Click on your gallery again. So now I'm getting the picture of Warren Buffett. You invert it. So you place it where you want it to be. Adjust, place it where you want it to be. I'm also adjusting the color filter to what I want. There is no actual color filter ratio figure I can give you. You just have to know what works for you. But mostly I adjust only the brightness, saturation and contrast. I don't do any other thing apart from that. Just those three. Just adjust it. The brightness is usually more than the rest. I just adjust that. So now you click on your text. That A means text. Then you edit it and type in whatever you want to type in there. I already have mine on my clipboard, so I just paste. So okay. So you adjust it now. You change the color to white or whatever color you want to work with. Then the font, we need to change the font. That font is not catchy enough for our viewers on YouTube. So you look for a nice font to use. I have some fonts already downloaded. You click on my fonts. So I'm using this font called Note 2 Serif Bold. So this is the font I want to use. Then you align the text. Align the text, put it in the center. You put it in the center. If you want to justify it or put it at the side, is your choice. But this one, I'm putting mine at the center. Then you adjust it, increase it if you want. You increase by clicking the left white circle at the bottom. now we're going to work on the shadow. I'm increasing the outer glow. I'm also increasing the blur radius so it can come out more. You can see, don't waste your money on these things. It's now bolder because of what I just did. I went to the shadow and increased the shadow. So you can make it bigger. So now we'll take in another text. You click out of the box. Click any part of your screen. You will see text will appear again. That A, and you click on text. So you type in whatever you want to type in again. Then place it where you want it to appear. And then you select the color you want to make use of. So now you click on the text background, enabled. So you select the background color you want to make use of. So now let's change our font. We'll be using a different font for the name. I'm using Roboto Bold. That is okay for me. You can use whatever font you want, but just make sure the font is very nice and mature. So now I'm just shifting it to the place I want it to be. We'll go to the background again, then adjust the padding, the left and right padding. You can see the background is too close to the right up. We're going to adjust it. The background color is too close, it's at the edge, so I'm shifting it a little bit. You shift it, shift the left and right padding to what you want. So now for the text, we'll duplicate it. I want to make some places a different color than the white you're already seeing. Like this waist, I want to make it a different color entirely. I'm changing it to green. Green is nice. So you duplicate the waist again and type money. I also want to change the color from money to green. So now I'm working on the color filter. Just want to make it a bit darker than it was. Just reduce the brightness for the background. So I will also duplicate the money again and type things in a quote. Things. I also want to change things to a different color, the same green. You carry it and place on top of the previous things. So you go ahead and save your work. Always save with Ultra, save to gallery. That's all. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed. Bye.